Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In this video, I will show you how to fix the task queue is empty error you might encounter while running training jobs on Outlier AI. This issue can halt your workflow, but with a few simple steps, you can get back on track. So the first step is to check the settings for the task you are trying to run. Ensure that all the required parameters are correctly configured, including input data, model parameters, and task priority. So next, review your data inputs. And an empty task queue can sometimes be caused by missing or improperly formatted data. Make sure your data sets are correctly uploaded and linked to the task. If the settings and data inputs are correct, try restarting the training job. Stop the current task wait a few moments and then initiate the task again to see if the issue resolves itself. So, if the error persists, it may be time to contact the Outlier AI support. Provide them with the detailed information about the error and steps you've already taken to troubleshoot. And that is how you fix the task queue is empty error on Outlier AI. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.